Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Even the Galaxy Note 20 is some months away from launching, we already started seeing leaks about the internals and looks of the Galaxy Note from this year. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned cause more videos are gonna come on the iPhone 12 and the soon upcoming Google Pixel 4a. As they did with the S series, Samsung will go further with the Note lineup as well, and there is gonna be two Galaxy Notes this year, the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Yes, no Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Samsung is ditching the Ultra model from the Note series. There were some rumors that Samsung will ditch the 108 megapixel sensor as well, because of the troubles they had with the video autofocus on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but no, the 108 megapixel camera sensor is gonna be on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We don't know if that's gonna be the same sensor as the one from the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but the 100 megapixel is there. According to Vice Universe, the Galaxy Note 20 lineup won't have the 100x zoom, but turns out that we will have a periscope camera on the Note 20 Plus, as we can see on these leaked images. We have the cutout for the periscope camera. The new Note lineup will look very similar on the front as last year's Galaxy Note 10, with slimmer bezels and the center punch-out, which I really like. The center placement I think is the best to go. So we saw how the Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus will look. Now let's get to the specs. For the display, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will go up from 6.8 inches to 6.87 inches, and the Galaxy Note 20 will go from 6.3 inches to 6.42. The Note 20 Plus will get the Quad HD resolution, while the Note 20 just Full HD, and both with 120 Hz, which probably is gonna be variable because of the new LTPO screens that Samsung will use, which will give the ability to the refresh rate to switch between 1 and 120 Hz according to the needs of the screen. So this new screen technology will give us better battery life. According to what Ross Young said, we should get from 15 to 20% power efficiency with this new technology. And this may mean that the Note 20 Plus will have the 120 Hz with the Quad HD resolution. Finally, we may see the new 3D Sonic Max in-display fingerprint scanner, which will give us a way bigger area for the scanner, so it's gonna be easier to unlock the phones. With the 3D Sonic Max, we will not just only have a larger area, but it's gonna be more secure and faster. The 3D Sonic Max will allow two fingers to be used simultaneously. As for the processor, the Note 20 family will come with the Snapdragon 865 and the Exynos 990, but I'm speculating that we'll have an improved version of the Exynos 990, as we saw on the last year's Note lineup, which had an improved Exynos chip compared to the S10 family. For the RAM, there are rumors that for the Note 20 family we will have a 16GB of RAM for the base version, which is very exciting. And as for the battery, we will have something between 4000 and 5000 mAh, a smaller battery for the Note 20 and a bigger one for the Note 20 Plus. Breaking news, guys! We know that this year Samsung had some trouble with the software updates, but they solved them. It's here, the Android 10 update with One UI 2.0 is finally rolling out again in India. Samsung announced on March 30 that they will delay the launch of the new software update in India because of the pandemic. This is a very good news to the Galaxy A50 owners. Android 10 with One UI 2.0 was already launched once in India and some phones got the update, but Samsung stopped the update due to user-reported bugs, and A50 users had to wait till a new software update come without the bugs. If you're interested in the Android 10 update with One UI 2.0 of the Galaxy A50, you can check my video where I went through the most important changes. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.